Hi folks, another review from Charlie. Let's take a look at the movie we're going to review today. The Inglourious Basterds. Let's take a look. This is Brad Pitt. He is one of the stars. Up here is the other guy. I guess this would be Christopher Waltz. But he is pretty good as the German Gestapo agent. Let's look at who's here. Brad, Christopher Waltz, Michael Fassbender, Alain Roth, Diane Kruger, Daniel Bard, I can't get the name out, and you'll get that one in, and you tell me. Now, what about this movie itself? Well, Tarantino is certainly an edgy director, and he has certainly done himself with this film here. It's about a 5-part episode, each one a chapter, that narrates this. If you do not like blood, definitely a picture not to see. It's full of gore, very interesting. The dialogue is very edgy. At some points it can be fairly slow, but it certainly has you wondering how can he go from what he just did in chapter 1 to chapter 2 and get this story all in one place. And it's very interesting. Again, let me recommend this with some caution. It's a movie that would be primarily for men. Some of them might like it. I guess quite a few have seen it already. But be prepared. It has certainly got all the elements of a film that will test your mettle. This is Charlie signing off.